Spread over 37.5 acres, the project features more than 10 acres of interlinked landscaped green courtyards and pedestrian pathways. The corridor concept, a series of wide internal pathway and shaded promenades which connect the building parks and other recreational zones, creating a campus-like atmosphere. Welcome to IREO Corridor, a ready-to-move offering those who are seeking leisure and exclusivity. Located on the prime golf course extension road, one of the Gurgaon's most prestigious and well-connected address, 5 minutes away from Sona Road, 15 minutes away from Cyber City and MG Road, excellent access to NH8 and SPR, Dwarka Expressway, ensuring smooth connectivity to Delhi and other parts of NCR. The upcoming metro corridor Golf Course Extension Road will further enhance the accessibility throughout Gurgaon. This location is surrounded by the most premium schools of Gurgaon like DPS and St. Xavier's. Proximity to the top healthcare centers also like Medanta, Artemis and Fortis. This location is just within minutes of high-end malls and 5-star hotels and other business hubs, a rapidly developing neighborhood with strong investment potential and excellent rental demand. IREO The Corridor offers ready-to-move 2 and 3 BHK apartments designed with modern fittings and large windows to provide ample natural light. The premium clubhouse of sprawling 2 acres, by the way, the biggest clubhouse of the locality, provides residents variety of facilities such as gymnasium, swimming pool, indoor and outdoor sports court, fitness and recreational areas like 2-kilometer long fitness trail and more services like spa, salon, dining options, bar, cafe, lounges, celebration lawns, kids play area, pet areas, etc. Just a little more special thing about this particular project is that there are only 1,356 families living in this sprawling township of about 37.5 acres, which also means this is a very low density project, as low density as you can say of only 36 families per acre. So there is definitely a feeling of exclusivity that you're gonna get if you would be a resident in this society. So this is not just a residence for anybody, but more of like a life upgrade, and at the prices of 18,500 rupees per square feet. Any apartment of like 1,350 square feet is starting at 2.4 CR only, and there are also going on some Diwali offers in which you're gonna get some other benefits like TV, refrigerator, microwave, etc. if you would want to buy in this apartment. So buy in today and move from tomorrow, just hassle free. Everything is here that you would wanna and move forward with your family. And inside your apartment, you ask, each unit comes with a modular kitchen equipped with chimney, hob, ample storage for almiras, and elegant marble flooring throughout. Plus, you'll enjoy the convenience of air conditioners already installed in every bedroom and the hall. Every bathroom comes fully fitted with high quality fixtures, making sure your move-in is actually and truly hassle-free. So book your site visit today and experience why IREO Corridor is one of the finest ready-to-move options on Golf Course Extension Road. Call us now to schedule a site visit and make this premium address your new home.